In this female self-defense series, we showed you various types of attacks. In this video, we'll show you how to get out of a shoulder grab. Let's go to Master. Master, in our female self-defense series videos, we ask you questions on how to come out of various types of attacks.
Sure.
In this video, can you please show us how to come out of a shoulder grab? Can I grab your shoulder?
Sure. Okay, good. If somebody grab you like this, always remember, have a confidence, don't panic, don't back up. Somebody hold you here, just go like this, hold his hand, okay? Go forward, let this hand will be bent. Before you apply your right hand, put the front and bring it up. Your body go forward and this hand going up. Now this one, your opponent is really paralyzed. Now if she gonna respond, this hand gonna use the elbow attack. If she aware the one, they will be going that way and then damage the elbow. That's very simple technique. Other side. Here, forward. Okay? 2, this way. 3, that way. Push your elbow down, twist the body, grab this one. That's how you break the arm. Okay, do it to me. Good. Yes. Elbow, drop, twist, good. Slow again. Do it again. Forward 1, good. Grab, hit, drop, side. Okay. Other angle. Here. That one. Up, good. Yes. Yeah. See, even this technique here, even I just go like that and go forward, I really hurt. Because you're really locking there. Now you add more, it's more paralyzed now. Then the elbow, I'm gone. Okay? Okay guys, the technique that I show you today, this one, I'm gonna show for the smallest kid in my student. Okay, I'm gonna grab you here. Okay? What you have to do, hold your hand here. Good. And then twist your body that way. Hold this hand here and bring this up. Okay? Oh, easy. Put this one here. Twist your body that way. Yeah! Oh my, you're gonna break my arm? Do it again, okay? Slow, right? From here, go forward. Yes. Lift this up. Oh, okay. Hit this one. Twist out. My goodness. Other side. Now, I hold here. Good. Yes. Oh, yeah! You can do it. That one, that technique, the one, especially the small kid like that. If the opponent is bigger, of course it's hard to her to catch up the pace for hitting the elbow. But this technique that she did to me, do it again here. That one there, lift this up, I'm already paralyzed. No need that she's gonna hit me here because this one is already damaged. Okay? Sure thing. Move. That's right.
Like all our other practice sessions, find a partner. I have my sister. Decide who's attacking, who's defending, and be safe. So I am going to defend and my sister will attack. She's going to grab my shoulder, secure the hand, step forward at the same time, lift the elbow, hit the face, or strike with your elbow. Again, she's going to grab, I'm going to secure the hand and step forward, lift the elbow, elbow the face, or strike with your elbow. Now I'll show you from the other side. She's going to attack, to step forward, lift the elbow, hit the face, strike with the elbow. She's going to attack, secure the hand, step forward, lift the elbow, attack the face, strike with your elbow. Now we will switch the roles. I will attack and my sister will defend. I'm going to attack, my sister will grab and step forward, lift my elbow, hit with her elbow, and strike with the elbow. Now I'll show you from the other angle. I will attack, she'll secure my hand, step forward, lift up my elbow, attack, and strike. In this series of videos, we showed you simple 2-step techniques. We are also working on single-step techniques. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe.